Have you ever wondered how a raw diamond is transformed into the dazzling gemstone we admire in jewelry stores? Well, that's no small feat. It's a meticulous process of diamond cutting, a delicate art that marries traditional craftsmanship with advanced technology. Diamond cutting is a fascinating blend of science and art, a process that enhances the raw diamond's inherent beauty and value. It's not just about cutting a diamond into a certain shape. Rather, it's about revealing the diamond's best potential, bringing out its brilliance, and maximizing its value. This process begins with the raw diamond, a gem in its rough form, yet to reveal its beauty. But behind this rawness lies an incredible potential that's just waiting to be unlocked. The journey of a diamond from rough to refined is a complex one, involving several stages, each requiring a unique blend of precision, skill, and technology. From the initial planning and design to the final inspection, every step matters. In the initial planning and design phase, gem cutters plan meticulously to maximize the diamond's beauty while minimizing weight loss. They use advanced computer-aided design software to create a detailed plan for cutting, taking into consideration the diamond's shape, size, and any existing imperfections. Then, the diamond is marked with a laser to guide the cutter in the precise execution of the plan. This is followed by bruting, where the diamond is shaped. This was traditionally done by hand, but now, advanced algorithms and automated bruting machines are used to ensure accuracy and symmetry. The diamond is then cut into separate facets. The number and arrangement of facets depend on the desired final shape and the characteristics of the raw diamond. Advanced sawing machines use computerized controls to ensure precision and minimize the loss of valuable material. The diamond is then faceted and polished, a crucial step that enhances its brilliance and fire. Advanced polishing techniques involve the use of diamond powder and specialized polishing laps. Finally, the diamond undergoes rigorous quality control and a final inspection to ensure it meets the desired specifications in terms of cut, color, clarity, and carat weight. This intricate process of diamond cutting is indeed a fascinating journey, a delicate art that requires precision, skill, and advanced technology. Join us as we delve into the intricate world of diamond cutting. The first step in the diamond cutting process is planning and design. This stage sets the foundation for the transformation of a rough diamond into a sparkling gemstone. The goal here is twofold: to maximize the diamond's innate beauty and to minimize the loss of weight. Gem cutters have to meticulously plan the cut, considering the diamond's shape, size, and any existing imperfections. It's like solving a complex puzzle, where every piece must fit perfectly to reveal the final stunning image. But they're not alone in this task. They're assisted by advanced technology, computer-aided design, or CAD software. This software helps create a detailed plan for cutting, mapping out each cut to the minutest detail. It takes into account factors like the diamond's shape, size, and flaws, helping to ensure that the final product is as perfect as can be. With a detailed plan in place, the diamond is ready for the next step: marking. Once the diamond has been planned, the next steps are marking and bruting. Marking is the process of using a laser to create a roadmap for the cuts on the diamond. This is a crucial stage as it ensures that the cuts will be made in the right places, following the plan developed during the design phase. The laser marks, often referred to as dots, serve as a guide for the cutter, helping them to execute the plan with precision. This delicate task requires a steady hand and a keen eye for detail, as one wrong move could result in a flawed gemstone. Following the marking phase, we move on to bruting. Bruting is the shaping of the diamond, a process that was traditionally done by hand. This involved two diamonds being rotated against each other, grinding away at each other until the desired shape was achieved. However, the advent of technology has revolutionized this process. Enter the automated bruting machines. These machines use advanced algorithms to shape the diamond with precision and consistency. The diamond, held by a mechanical arm, is brought against a spinning wheel, coated with diamond dust and oil. As the wheel spins, it grinds against the diamond, slowly shaping it into the desired form. These computer-controlled machines not only speed up the process, but also ensure accuracy and symmetry in shaping the diamond. With the diamond rotating at a consistent speed and the wheel grinding at a steady rate, the diamond is shaped symmetrically, a factor that greatly contributes to its brilliance. The combination of marking and bruting is a testament to the blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology in diamond cutting. The precision of laser marking, coupled with the accuracy of automated bruting, ensures that each diamond is shaped to its maximum potential, showcasing its unique beauty and value. With the diamond now shaped, it's time to move on to blocking. This next phase will see the diamond cut into separate pieces, known as facets, further enhancing its brilliance and fire. But that's a story for another time. In the blocking stage, the diamond begins to take on its final form. This is when the diamond is cut into separate pieces, known as facets. The number and arrangement of these facets depend on the desired final shape and the inherent characteristics of the raw diamond. Picture this: an artist carefully chiseling a marble statue, removing large chunks at first, and then gradually refining the shape. That's similar to what's happening here, but with a diamond, and a lot more precision. Now, how is this precision achieved? It's all thanks to automated diamond saws or laser cutting machines. These advanced tools make the initial cuts that start to reveal the diamond's eventual shape. The machines are often computer-controlled, ensuring each cut is made with utmost accuracy. Like a conductor leading an orchestra, the computer guides the saw or laser, striking the perfect balance between maximizing the diamond's beauty and minimizing the loss of weight. But what if the diamond needs to be split instead of sawed? That's where cleaving comes in. Cleaving is a method that involves splitting the diamond along its natural planes. This technique is steeped in tradition, but has been modernized with the use of precise tools and techniques. Now let's not forget about sawing. Sawing is another method that uses a thin, diamond-coated blade to make cuts. It's like using a knife to slice through a loaf of bread. But imagine if that bread was one of the hardest materials on Earth. That's the challenge faced when sawing a diamond. To overcome this challenge, advanced sawing machines equipped with computerized controls are used. These machines ensure precision and minimize the loss of valuable material. It's like having a master jeweler at the helm, but with the consistency and precision that only a machine can provide. So after the blocking and cleaving or sawing stages, the diamond has been transformed from a rough stone into a more recognizable gem, with its facets now defined. The diamond is now ready for the next crucial step: faceting. Opening. Faceting and polishing are what give a diamond its brilliant sparkle. As we delve into the world of faceting, we find ourselves at the heart of a diamond's allure. This stage involves the meticulous cutting and polishing of each individual facet of the diamond. Picture this process as the artist's final brushstrokes, turning a beautiful canvas into a masterpiece. Each facet cut into the diamond acts like a tiny mirror, reflecting light in a way that gives the stone its unique radiance and fire. Now you might think this intricate work is done by hand, but in fact, we owe much of it to the wonders of technology. Automated faceting machines are the unsung heroes of this stage. These machines, guided by computer-controlled precision, cut and polish each facet to exact angles and proportions. The precision is so high, it's like hitting a bullseye from a mile away, time and time again. But the process doesn't stop at faceting. Once all the facets are cut, it's time to give the diamond its final polish. This is where we say goodbye to any remaining scratches or imperfections on the diamond's surface. Polishing is akin to giving the diamond a spa treatment, leaving it flawless and glowing. Again, technology plays a pivotal role here. Automated polishing machines, armed with precise algorithms, work their magic to achieve this flawless finish. These machines use a mix of diamond powder and specialized polishing laps, a testament to the saying that only a diamond can scratch another diamond. Through the combined efforts of faceting and polishing, what was once a rough stone becomes a dazzling gem, a testament to the marvel of nature and human ingenuity. This is where the diamond truly comes to life, sparkling with every ray of light it catches. Closing. Now that our diamond is sparkling, it's time for the final stages: quality control and final inspection. Quality control and final inspection ensure that the diamond meets the highest standards. This final but vital stage of the diamond cutting process employs advanced tools such as microscopes, spectrometers, and lasers. These devices allow gemologists to inspect the diamond meticulously for any imperfections or irregularities that might diminish its beauty or value. Moreover, high-tech imaging systems play an essential role in this phase. These sophisticated systems analyze the diamond's cut, symmetry, and proportions, ensuring that every facet aligns perfectly and contributes to the overall brilliance of the diamond. The last step of this journey is the final inspection. Here, the finished diamond is meticulously examined to ensure it fits the desired specifications in terms of cut, color, clarity, and carat weight. Every aspect is scrutinized to guarantee that the diamond truly is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and technology. And there you have it, a diamond cut to perfection, ready to catch the light and the eye.